Hey, I'm Anna, and welcome to Tech Tuesday. This week, we're taking a closer look at the updated ARQISi range from Ecler. Earlier this year, Ecler announced an update to their well-known and loved ARQIS loudspeaker range, the new ARQISi. Here at Audiologic, we're huge fans of the original ARQIS series, so we're excited to see the updates to and expansion of the speaker range. There are some great new features, so let's take a look at them and see how to incorporate these versatile speakers into any application. The updates start with the included bracketry on the 105, 106, and 108i. These are now VESA compatible, increasing their suitability for all installations, no matter the challenge. The aesthetics and logos have also been updated on all models, with the logo being rotatable to match the orientation of the speaker with a new, sleeker appearance. Ecler Net Manager will now feature custom EQ tunings for ARQISi, allowing any Ecler DSP installation to make the most of these speakers. These EQ settings will allow ARQISi systems to have optimized settings and crossovers for their speakers, saving time on site and improving audio experience. The ARQISi range have an appealing price, but don't skimp on performance. These are great for applications that demand performance and reliability while still being cost-conscious. Whether a classroom, sports hall, background music, or DJ setup, there's an ARQISi model that will suit. The versatility of these loudspeakers allows them to adapt to any application. The ARQIS 208i, a dual 8-inch cabinet, is one of the standout products from the range, our favorite on the team, and packs a huge punch. The ARQIS 106i is another great all-rounder with enough low end for full-range performance. If you'd like to learn more about the ARQISi range, feel free to get in touch. We're always happy to help. See you next time.